All right, good morning, everyone. We're getting ready to do our post move tour, the tour of our new training center, new location at 1523rd Avenue in Jackson Square. We're the only ones in the building. So when you come in, you'll need to go to the second door on the left if you come in from the front side of the building. We're still putting up a few things and getting things organized, but pretty much we'll be ready to roll on Monday, October the 25th. We're closed this week because of the move, okay? So we're gonna just start on, this is the medical side of the building, and the other side is the admin side where all the offices are. We have 3 classrooms. This is classroom number 3, where we're going to be doing CPR, medical assistant. Each classroom has a monitor to teach, and we have windows, which I'm glad about because we didn't really have windows in the other building. Classroom number 2 is our phlebotomy class, where we'll be teaching the medical assistants as well as the phlebotomists how to draw blood. This is our EKG machine where our medical assistants will learn how to do an EKG. This is just 2 of our arms that we have set up. We have some more, but they're in the supply room. Our phlebotomy chair, more phlebotomy equipment, and then just the desk. We're gonna have small numbers for the phlebotomy class, probably 4 to 6 people. So that's why we only have a few desks here. This is the student lounge, or the student break area, where they could warm up their food, put things in the refrigerator, and eat. Excuse our mess. We're still working on getting our phones connected. This is our computer room, and we're also going to be doing testing in here. So there are 4 computers all set up with working computers. So we still provide free computer services, meaning you can use the computer, print a certain amount of pages if you need to, all for free. Use the Wi-Fi. This is our medical lab where our CNA students, our medical assistant students, and our phlebotomy, because even phlebotomists need to know how to come to the bedside to draw blood. And this is Mr. Fred Franks. His bed is not made up. We're gonna have to get his CNA to come make his bed up. This is Miss Jane Jones. Okay, her bed is not made up, but we're gonna take care of Miss Jane pretty soon. So this is our medical lab. This is the medical lab. That was the computer room that we just showed you, and this is our medical supply. In here will be all of the supplies needed to teach the students. CNA, we have all of our phlebotomy, lab draw equipment. We have hampers, we have walkers, we have a Hoyer lift, scales, bedside commode, a bunch of things. These are all our needles and everything for our phlebotomy. So we're ready to roll, I tell you. These are our syringes for our PPDs, more supplies, our extra CPR mannequins, wheelchair hampers, just a bunch of stuff. And this is our CNA cart, all the things that they use to take care of the patients. On this side of the building, the medical side, we do have 2 restrooms, a male and a female. They are nice. The people who were in here before took real good care of the bathrooms, and so we're glad that we have a clean, fresh building for our students. And so if you're interested in phlebotomy, medical assistant, CNA, contact Georgia Training Center, because we will be, our next class is our November 1st traditional CNA class is full, but our online CNA class, which starts November the 15th, is not. We have 3 more seats left in that class. So you can surely enroll and get one of those seats. After the November 15th class, the next class will be January the 3rd and January the 18th. This is our classroom number 1, where our CNAs will be taught. We may even, if we have a big response to the medical assistant, we may teach in here the medical assistants as well. When we have large CPR classes, we will also teach in here. But we tried to break the rooms down since God blessed us with such a large space. We wanted to be able to break the rooms down for each coordinating class. This was our previous CNA class that graduated the summer course. And so those were some awesome women. And we're glad for them to be testing soon and to pass their test. Walking up on the admin side, the medical side, this is our waiting room. We're going to be getting, this wall right here is going to be an opening where a receptionist will sit behind glass for security and for COVID protection as well as security. We're going to put a door up here, and we'll be able to also walk through from the admin side to this side. Behind here is where we do fingerprint. We have these up because we want it to be, we want them to have privacy when they're coming to do the fingerprints. And so if you need fingerprints, please give us a call. We will start back doing our fingerprints on October the 25th, Monday. If we get everything up and running before then, let me go through this way. Then we may start on Fridays, Thursday or Friday, but we're still working to get our internet to working right. Oops, y'all got so many keys. Look at all these keys. I guess that's the life of a boss, huh? Y'all bear with me. I said today I'm gonna mark these keys so I'll know which one is which. And I still can't find it. Okay, let's go down to the other end. This is the opposite end of the building. You'll be able to come through either side. There we go. All right, so this is the admin side. This is our adjunct's office. So this is where our assistant instructors will be sitting. Today I need to connect their computers. This is a space for two teachers, so 2 instructors. And so this is their office. We have a little bit more work to do in here. This is, let's go this way. Another office. I haven't unlocked that door yet. This is going to be another testing area. So we're going to be testing for the state of Georgia, hopefully, and Prometric, doing Prometric testing. This right here is going to be our receptionist area. We're going to bust, like I showed you guys on the other side, we're going to make a big opening for her to be able to greet the customers and check them in as they come. We will be looking for a receptionist, hiring a receptionist, probably beginning of the year. This is our file area with all of our files that have to be locked up and kept secure according to the state. Our printers are being picked up today and brought over here by the printing company. And this is the area that they're going to go in. This is Miss Sabrina Scott's office. She is our admissions director. And I'm going to try to show you her office. She has a nice office. If I can get through these keys, y'all. It's hot over here. I don't have to turn the air up. Ooh. It's bad when you going through hot flashes, y'all. For those who have never been through that, I tell you, you're blessed. So this is Miss Scott's office. She's our admissions director. She's going to be helping students get enrolled, helping them with anything that they need after enrollment, any problems they may have in class. So she has a real nice office. Admissions. This is, remember, this is the admin side. We also have 2 bathrooms over here. 2 nice bathrooms. We're glad to have our own separate bathroom. This is our kitchenette. This is our conference area where when people come and we need to have meetings, we'll have it back here, and we'll be on the admin side, so it'll be private. This is our break room. I think I'm gonna get us. No, I don't need a table because we got a conference table. I'm brewing me some coffee right now. This is our file room and storage room, so we keep even more files back here. Medical office supplies, computers, our paper, all of these things are kept in this room. And then last but definitely not least, Letitia Rice's office. So this is my office. I want to choose the back office, and forgive me because I haven't straightened up my office yet. So I'm still doing some organizing. See, I ain't put nothing on the walls yet except for my clock. And so this is my office. You know, it's going to be straight once I get finished unboxing everything. Thank you guys for doing my office tour. We're so excited about our office. Y'all, I look tired. We're excited about our new space that God has blessed us with. Keep us in prayer if you need any classes. We do have a contract with Goodwill, a contract with Enrichment Services. They provide scholarships for our CNA class. We're trying to work with them now to maybe open up the door to provide scholarships for the phlebotomy and the medical assistant. But if you're interested in CNA, contact them, Goodwill, Southern Rivers, or Enrichment Services, and see if you qualify for one of the scholarships, okay? So y'all have a great day. I just want to take you on an office tour with me. We're excited about what God is doing in this new season that we are in. Y'all have a blessed day.